Hello students, very good morning to all of you. Myself Deepak Kumar Prusti from Modern English School, Kuntinagar, Navada branch. Welcome to our e-learning class which is organized by Modern Group of Institution, Navada, Bihar. Students, today I will discuss the second video lecture of the chapter 2, unit 3 of the class 10, that is our schedule of maintenance of your computer. Okay student, schedule of maintenance computer, schedule of maintenance of computer. Okay student, so student, that means in the last class we have discussed why we need the maintenance of your computer. What is the necessity to maintain of your computer? If you will not maintain, then what type of problem will be arise in the future? Yes or no? So students, schedule. That means some of the parts of the computer can be maintained in the or according to schedule wise. Like student, the first one daily, second one student monthly, third one student yearly. Okay student, so some of the computer parts we need to maintain on a regular basis, each and every day. Sometimes we need the maintenance of our computer in a monthly. Sometimes we maintain the computer in a yearly. Yes, or no, student? In the daily way, students, that means you try to restart your computer after a long period of time working of your computer. Yes, or no, student? That means some of the software engineers or so many computer workers, they are working for the long period of time. That means maybe 15 hours, 12 hours, 18 hours, 20 hours, like this. Try to the restart of computer in between them. That is your daily basis. If you will not do, then what will happen? It will make what? The computer speed will be slow. Okay student? Next one student, when suppose today you are working, after the 6 o'clock you are shut down your computer, then the next day again you will open your computer. Before opening the computer, first of all you see any type of the dust can be not on the or any devices of the computer. Okay, if any type of the dust particles are there, try to use the air blow students to remove that dust. That one is a regular basis. Okay student. Next one student, always to shut down your computer in a proper way. Okay student, proper way to shut down your computer. These are all the what student in a daily basis. Okay. Next one student, monthly. Another one is a daily basis. Once your computer each and every day try to run your antivirus software for protecting your computer from viruses. Okay student, that is also daily basis. In a monthly student, each and every month check your software updates. Is that clear to our student? Check any type of the file have been okay or not. Okay student, so these are the what? Monthly basis. In the yearly basis student, where once you install the antivirus, each and every year it has been the what student? It has been the expired. It is expired. Yes or no? Each and every year try to do update your antivirus. Okay, that is a yearly basis. Windows update your Windows in a yearly, in a monthly also, in a weekly. Try to all the dust will be removed. Clean your computer, okay student, and unwanted files try to remove. Is that clear? Each and every week or in a month you check that one. And in the yearly, student, update your software, antivirus software. Is that clear? Otherwise, what will happen, student? It will make your file will be corrupted. Is that clear? So student, in this way we can maintain our computer in a schedule wise. Okay student, if question will come, what are the ways to schedule of maintenance of your computer? Write daily, monthly and yearly. Is that clear? Okay student. The next student we will discuss the very important which topic you have already known. That one is your student computer viruses. Computer viruses. Computer viruses. Okay student. So this computer virus is working similar with biological virus. Biological virus. Okay student, is that clear? That means student, suppose one of the virus is attacked in our health, or in that case we are feeling very weak. That means we are suffering any of the sick. Yes or no student? Just like the fever, cold, cough. Yes or no student? That means we are not feeling good. That means some of the virus have attacked in our health, in our body. For that, we have not interested to do a particular work. We are feeling very tired. Yes or no student? We are not getting up from the bed in the early. So this type of the problems can be arise when the biological viruses can be attacked in your body. Okay student? In the same also, if the virus is attacked to the computer, some of the symptoms are there. Is that clear? We will discuss in the next that one symptom. Today also we will discuss. The student, same also process. That means once the computer viruses will be attacked to the computer, then what will happen? The computer speed can be slow. Okay, the file can be infected. Okay, the program can be infected. The file can be stolen. Restart the computer automatically. So these are all the students. Once the virus will be attacked to the computer, so this type of the problem can be arised. Is that clear student? So student, according to the computer virus, the full form is here student, vital information resources under siege. Remember the full form, okay? Vital information resources under siege. That means some of the information they want to some of the information that means this type of the virus will be attacked to the program for which the program cannot run. Is that clear or no student? Okay student? So student, this is our computer virus, okay? The computer virus is developed by a bad program. Particularly young type of the people, they are creating the computer virus for bad purposes. Yes or no? They create for knowingly. They want to harm of other users of the computer. Is that clear or not, student? Student, the computer virus is a program that can be attacked to the computer for stealing the information, infected the file, infected the pen drive, CD, DVD. Okay, student. So, student, so these are all if the computer. What is computer virus? The computer virus is a program for which stealing the information, infected the file, CD, DVD, pen drive. Okay, student. Slow up the computer system. These are the things of computer viruses. Is that clear or not, student? Is that clear? Okay. So, student, next we will discuss, student, that is our student, how does computer virus attack? Next one we will discuss how does computer virus attack. How does computer virus attack and spread? Okay, student. How does? Now you know that computer virus is a program, or it is a bad program or code for which the stealing the information. The main motive is that one, what they want to steal the information or infected knowingly. Is that clear or not, student? The student, how does computer virus attack and spread? If the computer virus is a program, we know that, student, program is making for good purposes, but some of the program are making for the bad purposes. Those type of the programs are making for the bad purposes. That type of the programs are called as a computer virus. Is that clear or not? Is that clear? Okay, student. So, student, how does computer virus attack? So, student, there are different ways for which the computer virus can attack or spread to the computer to computer. Okay, student. The first one, student. Okay, student. When we are sharing files, games, music, so when student you share your document, your games, your music, okay, to your friends, it may happen the computer virus will be attacked to that person also. Okay, student. Next one, student. Okay, student. Next one. This is a one way for which the virus can be attacked or spread. Now you listen. Now this type of virus is spreading throughout the world. That is your corona. Yes or no? That means if one of the people is suffering in the coronavirus and that people is touching with the other people, or if they will be standing in just in front of that person, not in a long distance, very short distance, it may happen that people also may be attacked the coronavirus. Yes or no, student? So, student, here also if we share, if that person, suppose A is the person want to share with the B, if A has the virus, and that information wants to share with the B, that this virus also spread with the B. Is that clear or not, student? Is that clear? Okay. So, sharing files, game, music, etc. Okay, student. When download the unwanted websites. Okay, download the unwanted or unknowingly website. For that you have not any idea of that website, but you are what's it download. Okay students, that means it may happen the virus will be attacked to the computer. Okay student, another also, by the infected CD or DVD, pen drive. If you are using the infected CD or DVD pen drive, it will may also virus will be attacked to the computer. Okay student. Fourth one, when download free game or music or video websites. When download free game, music or video software. Okay student, software. Is that clear student? Is that clear or not? So student, so these are the different ways for which the virus can easily attack or spread from one computer to another computer. Remember this one. Is that clear student? Remember this one. For which student, for which this one will be 1, 2, 3, 4. There are the different ways for which the virus can be attacked from one computer to another computer. Is that clear? So remember, these are all the 4 points. Question will come, you write that answer. Okay student, is that clear? The question will come, write how does the computer virus can be spread. Okay, to write 4 points. Okay student, is that clear or not? Next one, student, next topic we will discuss. Next one student, we will discuss, that is our student, that is our next topic is here, symptoms of a computer virus. 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 If students you are suffering a fever, there are so many symptoms, yes or no? Our body is not working properly, or we are feeling very tired, we are not interested to get up from the bed, yes or no? We are not interested to do any type of the work, yes or no? Maybe your headache also will be there, yes or no? You are not feeling well, there are the different symptoms for suffering a fever, like this student. That is also one of the virus. Similarly, the virus will be attacked to the computer. How do you know? That is the symptoms. Okay student, how do you know the virus is attacked to the computer system? That is the symptoms of a computer virus. Okay student. The first one student. Okay. Unusual message will be displayed. Unusual message will be displayed on the screen. Okay, regularly. Okay, unusual message will be displayed on the screen. If this type of the message, that means you have not any idea about the message, but still that message will be displayed on the screen. That means the virus has been attacked to the computer. Okay, student. The student next one. The computer speed. The computer speed will be slow. If the computer speed will be slow, Okay, start. That means the performance of the computer is slow. That means the virus will attack to the computer. That means how do you know? Suppose you are installing or you are downloading any of the files from the student website. Yes or no? And you see if the time will take and that file size is very less, 1 MB, 2 MB, 3 MB, but it will, if it is taking the time 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, 25 minutes, that means what student? The virus has been attacked to the computer system. Is that clear or not? Because your net speed is very fast, everything is good, but still the file is not downloading in the proper way. Okay students. Third one student, restart your computer automatically. Restart your computer automatically. Restart your computer automatically. That means you are working the computer. Very important work you are doing, and in between that your computer is restarting automatically. Each and every 10 minutes, 20 minutes, in 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours. That means the virus is attacked to the computer. Is that clear or not, student? Fourth one, student. Okay student, when the information or when the code, when the programming code will be removed, when the now today you are successfully developing your software, and tomorrow or day after tomorrow you check that software is not running. When your software is running is properly, when all the programming codes have created in a word student correctly. When you are developing the programming codes in a correctly way, that means your software will be developed also successfully, or installed successfully, or creating successfully. But after 2 days or 3 days, 4 days, that same software will not run. That means what? Some of the codes have been stolen in that software. How? When the virus will be attacked to the computer, that automatically what student does? That same software will not run. Is that clear or not? That is also one of the symptoms. Okay students. Fifth one student. Okay, when unusual keys have displayed, when unusual keys have displayed at the time of typing of any document. Okay student, that means when you are typing, in between there automatically some other keys have been typed automatically. That means student, the virus have been attacked to the computer system. Is that clear or not student? Is that clear or not? Next one student, when your important file will not be open. Okay student, when the important important file will not be opened. That time also remember. Then seventh one, student. In the seventh one, that one is when your important file will not be opened. Yes or no? That means regularly you have opened that file also have been opened, but tomorrow, day after tomorrow, after 3 days, 4 days, same file will not be opened. That means particularly the virus have been attacked in that file. Is that clear or not? Is that clear or not, student? Okay, student. So, student, there are different symptoms of the computer virus. When it will attack with the computer, what type of the symptoms can be arise? Okay, so these are all the symptoms. Okay, student. Other symptoms are also there, student. Okay, other symptoms like, student, I have already discussed unusual messages, computer speed, restart your computer when ports will be removed, unusual keys, important file will be not be opened. Yes or no, student? Another, student, what? Duplicate file will be created. Duplicate file will be created automatically. Duplicate file will be created automatically. Okay, student. For example, suppose one of the Excel file, the name of a.xlsx. Okay, student, you have created of this file. Okay, in that content so many informations are there. Okay, and in the next day when you have opened the same also, it has name as a.xl, not xlsx. Okay, a dot any of the other extensions are there. A this one. Okay, and you will be confused which file you are created. Here the A and here A. That means this is your duplicate file. When the duplicate file will be created automatically, that means the virus has been attacked to the computer system. 8 one, student. Shortcut of any file or folder. Shortcut of any file or folder automatically. That is also, student, what? The virus has been attacked with the computer. Okay, student. So, students, remember that these are all the student what? Symptoms of a computer virus. Okay. Remember, student, these are all the symptoms of a computer virus. Okay, student. So, in this way, we have discussed, student. In this way, we have discussed details about what is virus, how do the virus is spreading from one computer to another computer, what are the symptoms of a computer virus. Okay, student, that part we have completed. In the next class, we will discuss, student, types of computer virus. In the next class, we will discuss the antivirus. Okay, student. So, student, that's it. Thank you.